these are my tools. I want to try changing my car belt for the first time. And I always do when mechanic they change them, but I never try them. Today I say make I try them. So stay with us. If I fail, you go see them by the end of the video. If I no fail, you go see them. So just stay with us, like, share, comment. You understand? And my tools be this. No run now. Thank you. We don't come out the old one. This is the new one. So let's put the new one. Stay with us. Share, like, comment. No con they watch me, no the comments. It's not nice. All right, let's go again. This thing no easy, but I know it's because my first time. That's why it's stressing me. Like under my engine is dirty, but we go still do am. Something must kill a man. Make it be better thing wey go kill you. I say make I try today, man. Ah, I need second hand. Come hold this thing. See the new belt too. You understand? So you no gree me put to. I say make I put the old one back. My hand don dirty. I don tire. So maybe the new one. I will need a professional to show me a tactics to put it. But the old one without expand is easier to put. So I'll put this one back now. You see, the old one is very easy to put. So I don't put down. So we failed. We failed. Oh yeah, we couldn't put the new belt. We put the old one back. Next time we'll try again. To put belt no be the problem for car. Now if you start your car and the function, your engine roll well, you go know say you don't put the belt. So make I start. See, put the camera here. So actually we put the belt very well. It's just the what's it called? The new belt. No fit do am because it's my first time trying. So I couldn't put the new belt. So that's it. Thank you.